How to verify Kraken account. Now, in order to do it, you need to open your Kraken Pro exchange, and over here on the home page it will show you that you need to verify your identity. So if you are able to see that banner, so you simply need to tap on verify identity option. Now once you tap on it, it will redirect you on the next page where it will show you to continue we need to verify your identity. It is fast and secure, and it will also give you some of the instructions which you can use in order to verify your account. So here you just have to simply tap on the continue button in the bottom, and first you need to provide your phone number over here. So if this is not your phone number, then you can tap on this drop down menu and select your country code. Afterwards you need to provide your phone number in this section, and then you need to press send verification code. Once done, a verification code will be sent on your registered mobile number. Then you just have to simply verify your phone number first. Afterwards you need to select any of the national IDs that you have in order to that you can use for the verification. So you need to select that and follow further instructions, like you need to upload your national ID details over here. You need to upload your selfie and some of other details. So you need to just follow those steps one by one in order to verify your identity on Kraken. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.